is it?
Hey, awesome squad! Right now, I'm picking our Mother's Day gift. As you can see, you have a lovely fruit bouquet with some chocolate dipped bananas with various toppings. It was a very nice gift. I was very happy that I won this in the competition.
What is it? Oh my goodness! This is for me. Thank you, AJ. No? Look at this. Pineapple. Cassie, come. Cassie, come. Coming all the way from Kingston, so it came with this in the box, this freezer pack thingy, ice blanket to keep it cold. Much appreciated. I'm super excited to try all the goodies. So after we dissected the fruit bouquet, this is what's left. A half of a pineapple. It's a huge pineapple, so I'm gonna peel it and cut it up. And yeah, so we got pineapples, we got cantaloupes and papayas, we got grapes, we got strawberries and plums, and then I also got a bit of orange. So my nephew is here, so we're all gonna eat and have a ball. Okay, so we also got this. I think it has to go in the fridge though. It's chocolate covered fruits. I see coconut. I'm gonna pull it so you guys can see. So I'm gonna put them in the freezer, but they look so yummy. I can't wait to try them. I think it's chocolate covered bananas. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna put them in the freezer, and then when I'm having it, guys, I'll let you know how it. So this was on the top of my thingy. Oh my god, it said, oh gosh, super mom. That's what it said. Oh my gosh, it did say super mom. Can you guys see? Yeah, it said super mom. So I'm gonna try and see how it tastes. This is so good. This is so good. I can't buy strawberries, they're very expensive. So while I can enjoy them, I do. Absolutely nice. Thank you, Fruit Blossoms, and thank you, AJ, for entering me in the contest so I can have some exotic fruits. So guys, as promised, I thought I'd share my treats with you. I'll let you know how they tasted. I gave one to my nephew. He is a sucker for trying new foods, and he absolutely loved it. I missed his reaction though, but he really loved it. So this is what we have here. These are, never mind the presentation, they're coming from afar. So this is what we have here. All right. So we have, I don't know what topping that is. I see coconut. I see some chocolatey thing. I see nuts and white chocolate. So I'm going to try one. Which one do you think I should try? I'm a sucker for coconut stuff, so I think I'm going to try the coconut one. So here it is, guys. And I'm going to take a bite. Okay, there's a banana in here. And then there's white chocolate on the outside and coconut flakes. And it's absolutely divine. It's really, really yummy. So I have this one tonight, and then I have to share the rest of the goodies with whoever's in the house. So yeah. Happy Mother's Day to me. It's really yummy, guys. Really, really yummy. This is the first time I'm having anything chocolate covered fruits, so I really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to share the video, subscribe, and comment. And you can check out what Kasani and I are doing on Instagram, and you can also support my channel by buying me a cup of coffee. See you in the next one, guys. Bloopers. Cassie, want to try? No?
It tastes good. You can't even work chocolate, it tastes good. Good mix.
The chocolate and coconut. No.
Look at that. Cassava.